the Brian and Joe.
Hey guys, we're back to the Brian and Joe show. I'm Brian Dandelion.
I'm Joe Miracle Grow.
And we are here at this lovely pond.
Oh, this is a great pond here.
This is our 100th episode and we're out here just having a great time. So today, we are going to actually dive deep, literally, in this pond. We're going to look later at some plant life.
Check out all this stuff.
You got to be careful in nature. And also, we're going to look
We are going to see lots of really cool stuff, and you're going to be able to hunt for it.
Yes, the water has all these living creatures that you probably don't know exist because they are microscopic.
They're down here, but you don't know they're in there.
Yeah, now they're on his hand. That's gross.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is we're going to throw them
Don't
under a
drink
microscope.
that.
Don't. Could be bad. We're going to throw those under a microscope. You're going to look at stuff, talk about parts. It's just going to be wild.
Wait, we're going to go down into this little water? We're going to figure out what's in there?
Well, I'm not. You might, but I'm not. This is ridiculous. So anyway, get ready. You're going to work through a couple scenes with us to help us out. Enjoy.